Jeff, ay JL, ay Japs, kakampi mo si Franz ha? Okay. Okay, game. Okay, no good.
Pero may finals pa yan. Depende man sa oras eh. Kaya naman wala namang problema.
Score all zero pa rin ha. No good by Marty. Libre-libre, 2 points by Pedilio. Okay, 2 points. Japs, paalala ko lang ha, kailangan yung lamangan ng 15. 15. Yung kalaban nyo ha, para makapaabot kayo sa championship. 15. Ang kailangan. No good. Nakuha ulit ni CM. Okay. 6-0. Okay, no good. CM! Oh! Sayang! Hoy, kinaliwa! Puti, nandun si Franz. 8-0. Hindi pa rin po nakakasunod. Okay, steal by Paul. Paul. Nice pass. No good. Nakuha ni. Okay, last touch by Franz. Okay, umami na pala. Okay. Oh, 2 points. Counted. Counted. 10-0. Ang kailangan nyo lang, Jeff, basta manalo. Okay, steal by Pedilio. Pedilio to Franz. 2 points. 12-0. Okay. Teo, nice drop. 7 seconds. No good. 11, 12, 2.
Oh, wait lang.
3 points. 15, 12. 8 seconds violation. Seventeen, 2.
Oo, wait lang. Wait lang tayo. Wait lang. Ay, ito pala. May pag-asa pa rin kayo eh, if ever.
Two points. 17-4. Tres ba yun?
Dos, okay.
19. Three points. 19-7. Twenty-one. Last 24 seconds. Okay, foul. Budiana, last 17 seconds. Twelve seconds. Seven seconds.
Ina, kaya pala sabi ko, ba't di gumagal yung oras? Ikot-ikot mo. Ang ina.
Diyan, binababa ng manahan. Diyan, pinagbalsahan. Nakita sa mga segundo. Runs with the seconds ng high five. Back to Diyan. Diyan, Pedillo. Pedillo to CM. CM. Pinigay kanino kay Tabiban. Tabiban pass. Hula.
Huli ka. Ano pangalan niya, Aga? Rafael ba?
Pinigay ka number 10. Number 10 pops. No, rebound by Jack. To Pedillo. Pedillo.
Behind the back, bro.
8, pop. CM once again. 2 points by CM. Matin sa inyo. Bigas na Chos.
Panda Express, gago. Panda Express.
Party to number 10. Pop for 3 to him.
Pasok? What a shot!
Anong oras? Hindi na ako makakapaglaro yun.
Pedillo.
Yes nga.
Nakuha ang Tabiban. Pinigay kay Jeff. Jeff. 1v1 by Sir GM. 8. Pop. No good.
Rebound dito, Overboy. Over.
Pedillo. Pedillo to the pass. Runs. Steal. Pop.
Oh, shit! Ang ina. Grabe. Damn! Ano pangalan niya, Aga?
Tabiban. Pop. 2 points by Tabiban.
Black shirt na lang. Ay, hindi pala na naka-black.
Pass to Franz. Franz. Pass to Pedillo. Pedillo, may hangover pa yan. Pedillo nagkagpamasaan natin si Brad. Once again, ribang kay Kapingman. Kapingman nagpamadali. Kapingman, kakainin yung dalawa. Nagkagpamasaan natin si Marky Pedillo. Pedillo, jump. To see him once again. 2 points by the Bureta.
Mabisa.
Number 10 to Marky. Marky once again, no good. Out of bounds.
Loose ball, rep.
Jet ball. Jeff, feet, pop, no good. Rebound by Nino.
Topper.
Topper to Medillo. Medillo to France. Feet, pop. Will be foul. Foul number 7. Right, good job.
Uy!
No good. Binigay kay Kapingman. Malakas. Pero nakuha pa rin.
Nice control.
Kapingman bumangga. Ulit may foul.
Push ball.
May job. Happy viewing nga po pala. 3 minutes time remaining. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Time remaining. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds shot. Pumatawa na. Nakuha ni Jobs. To France. France sa papadali. Akin na to. Umalog lang. Nakuha niya. Ulit ang pass.
Same ball!
Push ball.
Jeff ball.
Jeff.
Time remaining. 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Umali pa, no good.
Good.
2 points.
Nice hustle.
2 points by Edwin.
Ganun dapat.
Sa tumangga. Pedillo ang baba. 15-29 favor of Francis. Sir CM tumangga. Pinigay kanino. Kapingman. No good.
Call.
Foul.
Labas lang.
2 minutes and 57 seconds. Time to wait. Pedillo once again. Wala na shooting. Jobs. 2 points by Jobs.
Turo ka dito, Japs. Ayaw mo.
Edwin inbound the ball.
Tain na cellphone mo agad. Daming ads.
Rafael binababa ng lahat.
Ayun, Rafael.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Rafael.
10 seconds shot clock. 8 to shoot. Binitawan na. Nawala siya Edwin. Pump. Will be foul. Foul by Jobs. Jeff inbound the ball. Pass to Rafael. Papasok sa dos. Ulit wala.
Sinupalpal na board.
To Pedillo. 2 points by Pedillo. Number 10, Papa Queen of Rebound na pa rin. Number 10, to Marky. Marky bounce. Good pa rin.
Ubos na po ang tres.
Nakuha ni Jobs.
Ayun kayo.
Pinigay ni Franz. Napakaganda ng back to Jobs. 2 points by Jobs. Time remaining.
Yung gilid ni Japs na kunan ko ah.
That's 2 minutes.
Score.
15-35. Favor of Francis. Marky bounce. No good. Round of bounds.
Wala na po. Inubos na ang 3 points nila sa atin.
Jobs tumanggap. Jobs. May sirap. Binigay ni CM. Nahulog ulit. Good be foul.
Nadismaya si CF.
1 minute 49!
1 minute and 49 seconds. Time remaining. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 shoot. Pedillo tumira. Walang shooting. No good. Nawa ni Jobs. Jobs ulit nahulog.
Nagtabog.
Edwin pass break kay Jeff. Jeff ball. Jeff pa rin tumanggap. Jeff to Rafael. Rafael fake. Back to Jeff. Once again. No good. Rebound by Pedillo.
Pagod na si Jeff.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 35
Shot!
seconds.
Shoot that
CM
ball!
Sagos to
Nice yan!
Kailangan
1 minute and 15 seconds time remaining.
dapat 14.
15-37, favor of Jeff. Ay ano, France ko pala. Nakuha pa ni Jobs. Jobs to Pedillo. Pedillo lumimad na. Rebound by Jobs. Points by Jobs. Time remaining 55 seconds. 40 seconds.
Tumut. Pasok, pasok, pasok.
3 points by number 10. France challenge by Jeff.
Oh,
Sulit ni
Foul,
Paul.
foul, foul. Kitang-kita sa camera. Nakita sa camera ang blocking.
France once again. Jobs, pupukol na press. 3 points by Jobs.
Ano mo, Japs?
Ano ang isip ko? Di ba dapat?
Dapat, last score kayo eh. Sila, 10 ang laman, kaya sabi ko na 15 ilamang sila dyan para ma-umusan kayo. Eh, sobra-sobra sa 22 seconds.
20 seconds. Time remaining. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Last 10 seconds.
Good, good, good.
5 seconds. Shot clock is off.
2.8 seconds.
2.8 seconds. Time remaining.
Wala na, forfeit na, forfeit.